Wallabies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the.
Bennett's wallabies.
Look, or
I got the impression that they're cold.
Yeah. It's a bit too cold for them.
Cold. Yeah.
It's not the right climate.
Ryan, have you say hello?
hello, Balloon Beans.
Wallaby. Wallaby.
Hello, Balloon Beans.
It's okay.
Wallabies.
It's a bit difficult to pronounce.
Wallabies. They're like a kangaroo, but small.
Oh, there's more of them. There's the whole family there.
Yeah, the whole family is sitting there.
They look
Yeah,
like a
here's
small. They
another
look like a
one.
small kangaroo, aren't
He's on
they?
his own.
They look like a small kangaroo.
Not like a small
He has put his bum on the tree like that.
What do you think of the wallabies, Ryan? Wallabies?
They have loads. There are more there.